Hi, it's Holly from the Woman's Inner Circle and Adore I. One of the things a lot of people aren't talking about as far as flattening the curve of this present disease that has hit our country is we've talked about social distancing, but we haven't talked about improving our immunity. We haven't talked about eating healthier. We haven't talked about making better lifestyle choices, because by doing that, it can also help flatten the curve. So I just would like to invite you to a free class that I put together called Practical Ways to Strengthen Your Immune System Now. All you have to do is click the link below and you'll get immediate access to the presentation. Looking forward to seeing you there.